Well, hopefully you guys can hear me over the rattling air conditioning back there, but I wanted to post a quick update video on the 2015 WRX here. So we kind of finally got it figured out. Reference the last WRX videos for all the nitty-gritty details, but in a nutshell, we've been having a lot of really bad misfire issues and the car stalling whenever we'd come to a stop and throwing all kinds of lights on the dash. Numerous codes with the scanner. I'll give credit where credit is due, and on a hunch she said, what about the mass airflow sensor? Now when we previously did the map sensor, I did spray this guy. I did not touch it, I just sprayed her down in there with math cleaner, and it looked pristine anyways. This car only has 130,000 miles on it. And I was like, okay, well, there's ways to test this. And she's like, well, I already ordered it. Besides electronically, you can unplug your MAF and drive around. And then while the car will not run 100% with it unplugged, if it runs better, if it's running terrible like ours was, then that's a pretty good indicator and good test there that your mass airflow sensor is bad. But she went ahead and ordered it anyways. Which we've had the discussion, you don't just throw parts at a car trying to fix it. You're supposed to properly diagnose and find the issue, but she didn't listen to me. But thankfully she was right. So since she went ahead and ordered it, I didn't bother unplugging it, driving around, anything like that. I was like, well, I guess I'll stick the new one in when it gets here and we'll see. And of course, we went with the Subaru OEM. That is not something you cheap out on. And actually, if I can find it through Amazon, since I'm an Amazon associate and can verify that it's genuine and legitimate based off the parts number, and also that it's a reliable, well-known seller, I'll put a link up for it in the description if I can find such. That way it gives a little kickback for the channel, helps me out, helps keep videos coming. Give me some frickin' money to get the Eclipse done. But yeah, so far, and it's been like a couple weeks and we've been driving it here and there, seems to have fixed the issue. No more stalling when you come to a stop and pressing the clutch. It keeps idling just like it should. No extreme misfire, backfiring, kicking, bucking like it was. The only thing currently going on is I still do have a top end heavy throttle light misfire, where if basically I can punch it first, second, third, and then usually the top end, the third gear, you can feel a light misfire. I've been chasing that ever since we bought the dang thing. First it was plugs, then it was coils, then it was the boost control solenoid. Then we thought it might have been the O2 sensors, and then the map, and now the freaking MAF sensor, MAF and MAP. But now, and I brought this up with her a while ago and it still needs done. Hey, you are like 3 times overdue, well, twice overdue, depends on who you listen to, but at least twice overdue for the walnut blast of the intake on the valves. So with these direct injection engines, you get a real bad carbon buildup on the valves. So it's supposed to periodically, as part of the normal maintenance schedule, do a walnut blast on the valves through the intake to clean all that crap up. What happens is, due to these being direct injection, your injectors are not spraying fuel on the backside of the valves to clean them off like they would on a traditional combustion engine. It shoots it directly into the cylinder, bypassing the valves, and that's why the carbon gunks up on them and nothing's cleaning them off. So that's the whole point of the walnut blasting. I'm guessing that is the source of our full throttle, high RPM, light misfire, because when that carbon buildup gets too bad, it won't let your valves close all the way. So obviously that would cause a misfire. So hopefully here soon I'll have an update video after the walnut blast if that fixed that light top end misfire there under heavy throttle. But for now we seem to be good to go. She's daily drivable. This stupid mass airflow sensor for us at only 130,000 miles seems to have been the main issue. So there's your update on the WRX, and it's actually paid off in a month or two, and I guess she's gonna go stage 2 and do this and do that, and I'm like, well, you better get that freaking walnut blast done first. So it might all be done together, but we have that to look forward to as well. But thanks for stopping by and checking this quick one out today, and I hope to catch you on the next one.